Okay, so first thing that you want to do in order for you remove the tank, remove this cap right up here. Okay, then we're going to extend it and we're going to pull this plastic out of here, and if you move it around, it's going to come out. There we go. It's coming out. Okay, that's good. We can place this back. Okay. Next, what you want to do, you want to remove the hose, which is located right over here. So there's a clip, and here I'm holding it, and I'll show you guys here in a second. And I'm just going to pull the hose out. Okay, and the hose is out. And there used to be a clip here, but it's removed. Next, where I'm going to remove is this bolt right over here. That one right there that you guys can see. And then once I pull this out, you guys will probably understand how this works. Okay. 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 Okay, I just removed the bolt, and now we can pull the tank out, and you can probably videotape from here. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go underneath here, and then slowly move the tank out. There you go. Now the entire tank comes right out. Here we go. So what we have, this hose right over here is being attached right here. This is your coolant filler tube, and this is your coolant overflow tube, right? And it's honestly, this is the easiest way. And then now what you can do, you can take it home, clean it, and then dry it, and then put it back up. And the way that you put it back, you got to align that bolt here, and you have a little tit that fits inside one of the holes. And also, just give me a second here. Okay, here, there we go. So there's a little rubber O-ring that fits right here on top of that. And you guys, once you go inside, and you'll be able to see this anyways. Okay, so I have already cleaned this before. Not a problem. I just want to show you guys how what this looks like. And now I'm going to be putting it back in. It's in pretty much in the reverse order. I just got to line this tube. Will come out here, put the plastic back on, and I do have a that clip. We found it here somewhere. Okay. All right. Now I will put this back in there. Okay. 10 millimeter. Okay, so, okay. Okay, this way. Got it here. It's just a lot of playing around. See the tube coming in this way. Just got to align it, move it in. Okay, yeah, oh yeah. This is gold. Move it here. Okay, and now just gonna go and line that little tit. Okay, we're gonna continue on. Right, so the bolt is already tight down here. Now we're gonna insert the coolant overflow hose, which is right here, and I found a clip, and you guys just got to align it in here and just push it all the way in. Okay, I got it. So it's in there. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to take this hose up here. We're going to put a little bit of my own spit so it fits in there pretty good. Move it this way and throw this back Okay, here we go. And that is it. Okay. Here we go. Okay. So that's how you remove the extra reservoir tank. So